Namaste and welcome to my channel. This video is about garden update from late autumn. So let's see how it is. So we're only a few days shy of winter here in southeast Queensland, and the temperature feels like really nice and cool. So our nighttime temperature has gone down to 1 digit, and the daytime still remains in mid-20s, but early morning and from late afternoon it's nice and cool. So we can also see the gardens nice and green, and I have got some winter transitioning vegetables from autumn. So some peas and greens. So this is sweet pea, and it is doing really well. So got some broad mustard green, and so this is one of my favorite, and I try to grow this whenever I can. Yeah, no, I've got quite a few different varieties here, even though they look alike. So some seed I got from Nepalese sop, and the others are or Chinese sop. So yeah, there are quite a few different varieties. So this is Medina spinach. I am growing this for the first time, and it's only got very small to medium sized leaves, so I'm not sure whether it is like that because I'm growing for the first time. So see how they go. I've got some silver beet as well, so they're in the other part of the garden as well. So I've only got a couple here and already chewed by something. Got some kale, and they're doing really well, and some other greens on the ground, and coriander. So all the other greens, they are edible, so I usually mix them with my greens. Hyacinth bean, so I've got I think at least 4 or 5 bush of hyacinth bean, and this variety here, the green variety with white flower, it has already started to fruiting. So yeah, I've already got some this morning, harvested this morning. So yes, I have some purple variety as well, and it just looks so beautiful, and fruit still itself looks beautiful and very flavorful to eat as well. This is another variety. So yeah, got quite a few. And this on the other side, the bush was so invasive, poor trellis rod, it couldn't even hold the weight of it, so it just failed. So I had to support it with other trellis, and I've been using some branches from the tree, so I'm not really spending much money to buy trellis as well. So maybe sometime next year, but at this stage I'm just trying not to spend money in the garden too much if I don't have to. So this is new seedlings, and can't remember what they are because I've planted a few. So but this is, I think this is definitely mixed salad from memory. And they're doing, yeah, they're growing. So yeah, we'll have some more in future, but I can't remember what they are. So I've got some garlic sprouting here. So yeah, quite a few things coming up. So I've been yeah, like getting the seeds in ground for last couple of weeks. It's when it started to cool. This deal is self-seeded from last year, so I haven't planted any, but I've got quite a few dill coming up. So yeah, really happy. And this is voluntary chili. So yeah, I'm not sure, I think it's from birds dropping, but yeah, it's giving me lots of chili, and they're very hot, spicy. So I would rate them 9 to 10 out of 10. So they're very spicy hot. This is another one as well. This variety is a different. So this is Thai chili variety, and I have grown this from the seed, so this is doing okay. This is one of my favorite. So a Nepali Aubergine chili, and yeah, I actually very delicately grown this, but poor thing, looks like got stung by some bird on the base of the chili, but you can see some brown marks there. Not sure what happened, but I have to wrap that around with a net. So this is bird eye chili, and they look very small but very spicy. I still got some summer vegetables as well. So this is bitter melon, still got some growing, but it's time to get rid of them as well. The season's over. Got some eggplant. The eggplant's doing quite well. I've got quite a few, so there should be some white coming. Oh, there it is. There should be some more as well, and there are some other varieties as well. So yeah, I've been getting some eggplant every now and then. And that's all from my garden update. Thank you so much for